This is John with WTI, and with a great option or a snack, or even if you're just trying to do some exercise, and after that, maybe you don't want to get a protein shake, this is a great option for you to reach your protein goals while being convenient and just doing it anywhere. This Robert Arvine's protein bar is just a great option. And I'm gonna tell you why. And one of the things that I like the most from this protein bar is how big and filling it is. I was playing soccer the other day with my friends and I wanted to get a snack, but a snack was going to be too hard on my stomach or too full that I was going to fill it while I was playing. So I got this protein bar in here and I even had to do like split before going and after playing, and it just tastes great. High levels of protein, 30 grams of protein is pretty good for you to reach your protein levels of the day. Good flavor. It was crunchy. You felt that peanut butter. You felt that chocolate layer in the top, and it is just a great option and versatile in all the other ways. Filling. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point.